everyone. Whew. I'm just out of a meeting and I thought I'm already late. I need to shoot this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting me. So today I'm going to do a quick video. I think it's different. It's going to be a haul. I think that's how you say it, a haul. So it's about like this Korean shop called Kokoro. It's situated in Rivonia, next to Rivonia village. So, sorry. So like this is the road. The shop is here and Rivonia village is in there. Yeah, so a friend of mine, more like a sister, Kayong, she got me these as snacks. Oh yeah, my background changed because I'm not where I was. I came to my aunt's house because my siblings are all here and I was so excited to see them like after 7 months. It's been anyways, so I'm going to like show you guys some of the Korean snacks, and then maybe I'll do one where we taste them to see how it tastes. But yeah, for now it's just like to show you guys everything she got me, so the video won't really be long, but yeah. Also, yeah, I think that's it. Let's get into the video. I'm so excited but I'm so tired at the same time. Anyways, let's get started. Yeah. So this is like sweets. It's called Crown, but I don't know. I think it's like those sweets, like sweet things, like packet of sweets. Grape flavor, and I see this apple flavor. Then this is shrimp flavored crackers. I had this before. It smells like fish when you open it. So yeah. Onion flavored drink. I've never tasted this before, so I'm looking forward. Oh, sorry. Pepero white cookies. It's like those I forgot those one with the chocolate things on it, but I think it has like, yeah, white cookies. Obviously you can't go to a Korean shop and not get noodles. So. Oh, bubble milk tea. My sister said they say it's bubble just to how people pronounce, you know, it's boba. I don't know. Choco biscuits. When I went to Korea, like they had a lot of these things, but even though I didn't taste always the same, I didn't taste like all of this. So more ramen. Ugwa, chojong, yugwa, I think. Rice snacks. These are nice. I opened one. These are nice. I like them. I'll do some seaweed for soup. Some more bubble milk tea. Some more ramen. Yeah. Oh, these are my absolute favorite. I love this shrimp flavored chips. It's like those prawn flavored chips from Woolworths in the pinkish shrimp or prawn in the pinkish packet. It's similar to that, but I love these ones. She also got me seaweed because she said I should snack on them. Thank you, Kayong. These are like seaweeds. I think you can eat them with rice. I think. I don't know. Banana cake. She said I couldn't just get out of that shop without banana flavored something. So we're looking forward to try this. So I'm going to pause this video first and then I'll do the video of us actually trying, because I'm going to eat it with all my siblings. Also, my 4 cousins are here, so this house is a whole That's a lot of people. My one cousin plus my 4 cousins plus my 4 siblings. That's all I'm. Oh, these are the best. I snack on that. The first time I went, I got these. It's just. Then there's these ones. This says it's originated from France. Sabure. Oh, sable. Sable. Okay. Ignore the noise. Like, they're noisy outside. I didn't tell them that my meeting is finished so that they don't come running in here. Then I got a drink. It's yogurt. Savila strawberry with aloe vera. I started falling in love with aloe vera drinks. Like, you know, there's these aloe vera drinks. It's similar to this, but it's not strawberry. It's not pink. It's like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's aloe vera pieces. You find it in Checkers, Food Lovers. That's where I've actually seen it. This game also has that more pepero, but this one is the original, like stick biscuit with chocolate. I don't know what's upside. I'm so sorry. Ah, what? Butter waffles. Wow, I'm so embarrassed. Butter waffles. Oh yeah. Okay, this looks interesting. Like, Korean has nice snacks. This is. I ate this when I was in Korea. I can't make up it. This is too complex for my poor Korean reading skills. But these are nice. They're like chocolate in the middle, and yeah, these are actually nice. I like them. Oh, this one's the same one that I showed you guys before. Potato snacks. I'm actually curious as to how this will taste because I don't know how this will taste. Oh, and they look nice and exciting to eat. I feel like they're going to be those chewable sweets. Like, yeah, oh, I'm so excited. Then there's this coconut water. No, coconut juice with young pulp. Let's say. Then there's more noodles. Yeah, I think that's about it. Let me try to show you guys how it looks. Like, all of this. Sorry, my laptop is just. So all of these. It's raining snacks that she managed to get for me. So my next video will be of us tasting it. I'll capture like small moments of everyone eating it to see the reaction. But I know I'm going to love it. I'm going to love it because I'm just adventurous like that. Actually, I wasn't, but I became. I'm looking forward to drink this though. The bubble milk tea. I think I showed you guys. Yeah. I look forward to that. So yeah, this is my mini Kokoro haul that we went shopping. Oh, did I show you guys this Hershey's pretzels bite? Did I? I'm tired. Yeah, those two. It's raining snacks. Thank you so much, Kaya, for these snacks. They shall surely be enjoyed. And yeah, I look forward to gaining some extra. No, we shall exercise. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us, for joining me in this mini videos, just showing you guys like what I got. And yeah, you should go shop. I think it's the only Korean shop in here that like a store. I know there are Korean like restaurant. There's 2 in Rivonia. And I heard, I saw like on Google, on Uber Eats, there's one in Santon, and yeah. So if you guys would like to try it, please do. It's authentic, I would like. But yeah, it was Nindi. It should be, was it pouring, right? Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. This has been a lovely time. I'm so excited to try this out, and I'll surely include you guys in my eating process alongside my family. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye in my next video. Stay happy.